Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. On this channel I do protective hairstyles for kids. I do DIYs, beauty DIYs. Yeah, I do hair treatment. I do a lot on this channel, so please consider hitting the subscribe button down below if you haven't done so. Please do so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can use tomato or carrot to get rid of dark spots. Yes, that's what I'll be showing you guys today. And this treatment guys, nobody will tell you about it. Nobody will tell you about it, but I'm here telling you that it's super effective. Yeah, I will show you how you can use tomato to get rid of dark spots, wrinkles, and maintain your youthful glow. Yes guys, that's what I'll be showing you guys today. And believe me, what we are going to do today guys, you can do it every day without having any side effect. Yes, so without much talk, let's get right into the video. Let me show you how you can maintain beauty. Maintain beauty without spending much money, without spending, in fact, without even stressing yourself, without spending much money. You can still maintain beauty. Let's get right into the video. So guys, I'll go ahead and show you how you can use tomato to get rid of dark spots, wrinkles, and maintain your youthful glow. Yes, there are a lot of skin benefits of tomato nobody will tell you about. This thing you see right here can do a lot for you. Yeah, tomato is so good. It can help you get rid of sunburn. It can help you get rid of wrinkles. It can help you maintain a youthful glow, give you ageless face, ageless skin. Yes, tomato can do that. Tomato contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin C. There are a lot of skin benefits of tomatoes. So when I say you can use tomato to get rid of dark spot, it's tested and trusted. Yes, believe me when I say so. And how do you do that? How do you use it? It's a simple way. The way you use it to get rid of dark spot doesn't require much things. It doesn't require much things. All you have to do is to get your tomatoes, wash it. One tomato is enough. Wash it. Make sure you wash it very well. Then wash your face. After washing your face, you get your knife. You cut the tomato into two. Once you cut the tomato into two, you see? Did you see? Did you see? All you have to do is to use the tomato juice to massage your face. Oh, this is good. Use it to massage your face. Apply it on your face. What I'm telling you guys is what I've tried and it really works. Apply it on your face. You see? Apply it on your face. And after applying it on your face, don't wash it off. Don't wash it off. Just go to bed with it. Go to bed with it. You can reserve this one. Put it in the fridge. Tomorrow you can still use it. Then, like I said, after using it to massage your face, don't wash it off. Just go to bed with it. Tomorrow morning you wake up, you wash your face and apply your moisturizer. This, guys, this is not even a joke. This is so effective in helping you getting rid of dark spots. So apply it on your face and allow it to dry. Don't even wash it. Don't clean it. Apply it, say 10 to 20 minutes before going to bed so that it will dry up. Then don't wash it off. Do this 1 week. Oh my goodness, you won't believe your face. Trust me on this one. Do this for 1 week and you won't believe your face. So that is the first stage. That is the first way you can use tomato to get rid of dark spots, get rid of wrinkles, and maintain a youthful glow. Yes, that is the first way you can use it to do that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can use tomato and carrot to get rid of stubborn dark spots. Yes, I will show you how you can do that. And also, it's very, very effective. It's very, very effective. I'm not even joking about this, guys. So without much thought, guys, I will show you how you can use carrot to do that, okay? So first, to do that, all you have to do is to get a clean plate. In that clean plate, you get your carrot, get a grater, then you go ahead and grate the carrot using the smallest size of the grater. Guys, carrot helps to treat inflammation. It helps to treat acne and pimples. It also helps to reduce tanning of the skin. Carrot helps to, fight blemishes. There are a lot of skin benefits of carrot. So go ahead and grate it with the smallest size. If you want, you can blend it without adding water. So after doing that, the next thing here is to grate the tomato. Yeah, like I said earlier, tomato, there are a lot of skin benefits of tomato. Tomato help to, to give you a soothing skin. It helps to reduce sunburn. Tomato helps to remove dead skin cells. It's an anti-aging agent. It helps to reduce aging. It helps to fight cellular damage. Yeah, there are a lot of skin benefits of tomato, guys. When I tell you that tomato can help you to get rid of dark spot, believe me when I say that, okay? So go ahead and grate it with the carrot. If you want, you can blend both of them, but make sure that if you're blending them, you don't need to add any water, okay? So that is it, guys. Make sure if you're blending, don't add water. The water from the tomato and carrot is enough, okay? So after grating them, the next thing to do is to get another plate. In that plate, get a sieve, place the sieve on top of the plate and pour in the grated carrot and tomato into the sieve. Then once you finish doing that, the next thing is to extract the juice. Yes, use your spoon or anything. You can choose to use your hand, but make sure your hand is clean if you will be using your hand. So now I will use spoon to squeeze out the juice because that's what I'll be working with. So after squeezing out the juice, I will set the chaff aside. Now I have carrot juice and tomato juice in this plate. Then the one ingredient that will help this thing to be effective on stubborn dark spot is baking powder. I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder helps in skin lightening. Yes, it helps to whiten the skin. So I will mix it very well, and after mixing it, guys, I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can use this mixture to get rid of stubborn dark spots and also treat sunburn, maintain your youthful glow, get rid of blemishes. So now I'm done mixing everything. I'll go ahead right now and show you guys how you can use this treatment, okay, guys? So guys, this is it. This is the carrot tomato juice mixed with baking powder. This is the mixture. This is it. I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can use this to get rid of stubborn dark spots, okay? This is how you use it. You get cotton wool. Get your cotton wool. You dip it into the mixture. Then you use it to clean your face. Use it and clean your face. Use it and clean your face very well. Don't allow it to enter your eye, okay? Use it to clean your face very well. And after cleaning your face with it, for this one, you just have to leave it for 30 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. And after washing it off, did you see? As I'm even doing it, I can see some dents in this cotton wool. And after washing it off, you go ahead and apply your face moisturizer. Honestly, this will help you to get rid of stubborn dark spots. But if your dark spot is not that, stubborn, if it's not that so much, you can just use the tomato method I earlier showed you guys in this video. You can just use that method. Using that method, you can use it every day. With the tomato alone, you can do that every day. But with this one, just do it once or twice a week, okay? Then after 30 minutes, you go ahead and wash it off, then apply your face moisturizer. Yes, so that is it, guys. You can also use this to get rid of dark knuckles, dark elbows, and dark knees, okay? You can also use this to achieve that. Yes. So guys, please, that is it for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share this video, okay? I will see you all in my next video. And if there is any video you would like me to film for you guys, please just leave it in the comment section. I will see it, okay? Thank you all for always clicking in. Thank you all for the love and support. I love you all. Thank you all. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.